Hey, Mr. O'Daniel, you have in your hand, okay, well, we on the record in cause number 327504, the state of Texas versus Michael O'Daniel. Mr. O'Daniel, would you please raise your right hand? Mr. O'Daniel, do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Mr. O'Daniel, you may put your hand down. How are you doing, Mr. O'Daniel?
Good, how are you?
I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. Mr. O'Daniel, you have before you the standard bond conditions in county court at law number 2. You see that document?
Yes, sir.
I will go over that document with you. Following the arrest and or accusation in county court at law number 2 of Jefferson County, Texas, all bail bonds executed for release of any defendant named herein are ordered subject to the following additional conditions. Number 1, the defendant shall commit no offense against the laws of this state, any other state, or of the United States. Do you understand that condition?
Yes, sir.
Condition number 2, the defendant shall submit to testing for drugs and alcohol at any time as directed by the court. The court may revoke the bond and order the arrest of any defendant who A, refuses to submit to a test for drugs and alcohol when directed to do so by the court, or B, submit to a test for drugs and alcohol and the test indicates the presence of drugs or alcohol in the defendant's body. And that's pursuant to the Texas Code of Criminal Procedure, Article 17.44, subsection A2 and subsection C2. Do you understand that condition?
Yes, sir.
Condition number 3, the defendant shall not communicate either directly or indirectly with the alleged victim of the pending offense, and the defendant shall not go near any residence, school, or other location frequented by the alleged victim, Teresa Lejeune O'Daniel. Do you understand that condition?
Yes, sir. Can I ask a question?
Yes.
I have custody of the children, or we haven't been to court, but the children stay with me. So if she wants to see the kids, she can't come see them no more?
I can't give you any advice on that, but you can talk to a lawyer who can. Okay?
Yes, sir.
But you have to adhere to the standard, to these terms and conditions. Now, condition number 4 doesn't apply to you because this is not a DWI case. And do you understand these bond conditions?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, Mr. O'Daniel, if you fail to obey these bond conditions, your bond may be revoked and you may be arrested and put in jail.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, if we don't have anything else, you was given your appointment of counsel.
Yes, sir.
All right. And you are excused.
Thank you.
You may, you're